I've waited a really long time to unbox this. I ordered this from the Apple online store in May, and 43 days later, it's finally here. Now, I've never quite looked forward to an iPad Pro as much as this one, partially because of the M1 chip, but hugely because of its incredible XDR display. Therefore, it's only appropriate that I make this video in HDR. So if you're watching this on a compatible display, make sure you're streaming this in HDR. I got the 256GB Wi-Fi model because anything above that is a bit unaffordable for my not crazy rich Asian self. The unboxing experience is actually nothing new. Very simple, yet very pleasant. And unlike the iPhones, the iPad Pro still comes with a power brick. This M1 iPad Pro actually looks virtually identical to the 4th generation model from 1 year ago. These are the exact same configurations, and the new one is slightly heavier and slightly thicker. Visually, you're not likely to see any difference, but when you pick up the new one, the extra thickness is actually something you can feel. On paper, it's also about 40 to 50 grams heavier, which I thought wouldn't be enough to mean a noticeable difference, but if you pick one up right after the other, you can clearly feel the M1 being heavier. The XDR display seems indifferent at user interfaces and SDR content, does not appear brighter even at full brightness, but play back some HDR content and it's a whole world of difference. Perfect blacks, blazing highlights, and the difference is much more apparent in person than it is through my camera. So those have been my first impressions upon unboxing. Stay tuned for more content about the M1 iPad Pro, including how well it fits the old Magic Keyboard, once I've gotten around testing it.